Welcome to a journey towards deeper, more restorative sleep. In our fast-paced world, quality rest is often elusive. Many struggle with sleepless nights, tossing and turning, yearning for that perfect slumber. But what if the solution was natural? What if it involved bringing a touch of nature indoors, right into your bedroom? Today, we explore a fascinating concept. Certain plants possess a unique ability. They release oxygen at night. This can significantly improve your bedroom's air quality. Better air quality directly translates to better sleep. Imagine waking up refreshed, energized, and ready to seize the day. We've curated a list of 5 incredible bedroom plants that are not just beautiful but also powerful allies for your nightly rest. These natural air purifiers work tirelessly while you sleep, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh oxygen-rich air. Get ready to transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of sleep. Let's discover these amazing green companions. First up is the snake plant, scientifically known as Sansevieria trifasciata. It's a true hero for your bedroom. Its striking, sword-like leaves add a touch of modern elegance to any space, making it a popular choice for interior decor. But its beauty is just a bonus. The snake plant is renowned for its exceptional air-purifying capabilities. Unlike most plants, it performs photosynthesis at night, converting carbon dioxide into fresh oxygen while you sleep. This continuous oxygen supply ensures a cleaner, healthier breathing environment throughout the night, promoting deeper sleep. Caring for a snake plant is incredibly easy, making it perfect for beginners or those with busy schedules. It thrives on neglect, requiring minimal watering and tolerating various light conditions, from low to bright indirect light. Just be sure to let the soil dry out completely between waterings to prevent root rot. It's truly a low-maintenance gem. Next, we introduce the elegant areca palm, or Dipsis lutescens. This lush plant brings a tropical vibe to your bedroom. Its beautiful, arching fronds create a stunning visual impact, transforming your space into a tranquil oasis. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the areca palm is a powerful natural humidifier and air purifier. It releases significant amounts of moisture into the air, which can be incredibly beneficial for those with respiratory issues. Increased humidity can soothe dry airways, reduce snoring, and alleviate symptoms of colds and allergies, leading to more comfortable sleep. It also filters out common indoor toxins, further enhancing your bedroom's air quality for a truly restful night. To keep your areca palm thriving, place it in a spot with bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch its delicate fronds. It prefers consistently moist soil, so water it regularly. But avoid letting it sit in standing water, which can lead to root rot. Misting its leaves occasionally will also help maintain humidity, especially in drier climates. A little care goes a long way. Our third sleep-enhancing plant is the versatile aloe vera, or Aloe barbadensis Miller. More than just a medicinal plant, its distinctive fleshy leaves are instantly recognizable, adding a touch of natural beauty and functionality to your space. This nocturnal oxygen boost helps to purify the air, reducing airborne pollutants and creating optimal conditions for sleep. Beyond its air-purifying benefits, aloe vera is well known for its soothing medicinal properties. Having it in your bedroom means you have a natural remedy for minor burns or skin irritations always at hand. Aloe vera is a sun-loving plant. It thrives in bright, direct sunlight, so a sunny windowsill in your bedroom is ideal. It's a succulent, meaning it stores water in its leaves. Therefore, it requires infrequent watering. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings, typically every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the season and humidity. Overwatering is the most common mistake, so err on the side of caution. A happy aloe vera is a healthy sleep aid. Moving on to our fourth plant, the delightful spider plant, or Chlorophytum comosum. It's a classic for a reason. Its distinctive arching leaves and charming spiderets or plantlets make it a visually appealing addition to any room. The spider plant is celebrated for its exceptional air-purifying capabilities, making it a powerhouse for your bedroom. It effectively removes common indoor air pollutants like formaldehyde, xylene, and carbon monoxide, which can disrupt sleep. By cleaning the air you breathe, the spider plant helps create a healthier environment, allowing for uninterrupted, peaceful sleep. It's also known to increase oxygen levels, though not as prominently at night as some other plants on our list. Spider plants are incredibly easy to grow and maintain, making them an excellent choice for plant novices. They are adaptable to various light conditions, from low to bright indirect light, though they prefer brighter conditions for optimal growth. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering. They're quite forgiving if you occasionally forget to water. Finally, we have the elegant peace lily, or spathiphyllum. This plant is a symbol of tranquility and purity. Its striking white flag-like flowers, known as spathes, contrast beautifully with its dark green foliage, adding a sophisticated touch. The peace lily is a champion at filtering indoor air pollutants, including benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. These common household toxins can negatively impact your respiratory system and sleep quality. The peace lily helps neutralize them. Furthermore, it increases room humidity, similar to the areca palm, which can be beneficial for breathing and preventing dry skin. A more humid environment can reduce irritation in your nasal passages and throat, leading to a more comfortable and restful night. Peace lilies prefer shaded spots and moist soil. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch their delicate leaves. Keep the soil consistently moist, but ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogging. They will droop dramatically when thirsty. Water them when you see their leaves start to slightly wilt, and they'll quickly perk back up, a clear sign they need a drink. There you have it. 5 incredible plants that can revolutionize your sleep quality by boosting nightly oxygen and purifying your air. The snake plant, areca palm, aloe vera, spider plant, and peace lily are more than just decorative elements. They are living air purifiers, natural humidifiers, and silent guardians of your well-being, working while you rest. Incorporating even one of these green companions into your bedroom can make a noticeable difference in how you sleep and feel. Choose the plant that best suits your style and care preferences and start your journey to a more restful night. Transform your bedroom into a haven of tranquility and breathe easier, sleep deeper, and live better. Thank you for watching. Sweet dreams.